Hello there. In this project, I have made a students registration system by Python 3 programming language. And for the pictures of the students, I have used this type of pictures for men and this type of pictures for women. And this is the final Python 3 script, and let me run it. Okay, so it's the interface, and I have already inputted some data in the database. So you may see this data, these 15 entities I have already been added to this database. So let me add some more. Okay, so for picture, let me use this picture for Anuj Ghosh. The session be 2018-19. The address being Kolani, and it is said that the data is successfully added to the database, and then you consider in this 15, it will increase by 1. Yeah, so it's 16 and the data is already being added to the database. So let me add another. So for the picture of Riya Sen, we are going to use this picture, and the session be 2019-20, and the address is Noihati. And let me add it again. Yeah, so it's already added to the database. So now let me select any data from the database. Let me select this Ayan Mondal, and if we click on the Ayan Mondal, it will automatically select the total line, and then if we click the display, it will automatically fill the entry boxes by the data of Ayan Mondal. And now the reset button, if we click on the reset button, it will automatically it will go into the default section. So is the default section, it is going to the default section. So now for the search button, you have to search for the Riya Sen, how many Riya Sen named student are in the database. So let me first put the session none, and the name is Riya Sen. You just want to know all the students named Riya Sen. So now if you click search the database, there are 3 students named Riya Sen. So okay, so let me display this data. Okay, so it's the data. So now the update button. So the update, you can update any data by this update button. First you have to select the data like Karthik Roy, and then display it. That will automatically fill the entry boxes by the Karthik Roy. And now let you assume that you have changed the last name to Roy to Sharma. So now if we click on update, it will say that your data is being successfully updated. Yeah, now it is Karthik Sharma. And now if you want to display it, you can see it's Karthik Sharma. Now the delete button, you can delete any quantity, or entities from the database. So let me show someone. So let me first display the data, the Riya Sen. Okay, so this is the data of Riya Sen. So let me delete it. So it is asked for, are you sure, delete it, yes or no. So yes, successfully deleted. Okay, so now you can see that the total number of data becomes 16. Okay, so now the generate registration card. So let me generate the registration card for Anuj Ghosh. So first I have to select the Anuj Ghosh line, and then I have to click on display button, and then if we click on the generate registration card, it will generate a registration card by automatically. So now if we want click on download, it will see display registration card. Wanna see your registration card, yes or no? If we click on yes, it will open the registration card and it will download the registration card. Okay, so successfully downloaded, your registration card is here. So this is the final path of your registration card. So okay, so the registration card is going to store in here, the final registration cards folder. So now the exit button, at the last we have 16 data in our data set. Let me refresh it, and you know there are 16 data in the data set. Now let me this exit button, if we click on the exit button, it will ask for are you want to exit, yes or no. If we click yes, the it will destroy the root, or it will quit the this application. Okay, so this is all about for this application. Thank you.